Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Shane and I'm literally cleaning up from the video that I just filmed. I just filmed a Valentine's Day collection haul. I know that that video is already out, so if you haven't checked it out, please go ahead and do that first because I mentioned what we're doing today in today's video. Yeah, I got so lucky and I was able to get Jefree Star's premium Valentine's Day mystery box. Now, he released a premium and a deluxe. I forget how many products are in here. I believe there are 6 products in the premium, 9 in the deluxe. Don't quote me from memory. I could be wrong. I'm usually wrong. I'm even more excited about today's video because I've never owned Jefree Star products. Are you kidding me? Why? Why? Because he's not in retail, and literally that's the only reason. It might sound like a really stupid reason, but as I mentioned in the Valentine's Day haul as well, I don't really shop online for makeup unless I'm specifically out of something I already know that I love and I'm filling up. I think the last time that I filmed online was when I did the trying best-selling drugstore makeup because I had to look at reviews and ratings and all that fun stuff, but I've just never gone out of my way to buy his products, and I really respect Jefree as a makeup artist. I know he's so controversial, and I know not everybody's gonna agree with me on that, and that's totally okay, but at the same time, I always try to give credit where credit is due, and you can't deny his talent. Whether you like him or not, he is extremely talented as a businessman and as an artist. So with that being said, I am so excited to dive into this and find out what is in here. So excited. I think it would be exciting for me if I knew what was coming. The fact that I don't know what's in here is even more exciting, which is kind of crazy because I could have wasted my money, but it's Jefree, so nope, I didn't do that. But I got really lucky. I keep saying I got really lucky getting this box, and I keep failing to explain why. Literally, I didn't even know this was coming. I don't know if he had announced it previously. I don't think so, but I just happened to go on Instagram at work, and I do follow Morphe, I do follow Jefree Star and everything, and I just happened to see his post that he just launched the Valentine's Day collection. I didn't even know there were 2 sizes when I was purchasing, so immediately I grabbed my phone, I grabbed my card, and I went on the site and I purchased it. The next day I went online and they were sold out, so I was just like, I usually miss every single, like, I just got the James Charles Morphe palette, you know what I mean? Like, I am always the last person to get my hands on something because I don't really follow it that much, you know what I mean? So I was just so lucky, and I was like, yes, Valentine's Day is coming, girl, let's do this. So let's, for the first time, open up our package from Jefree Star Cosmetics. So first of all, it comes with this light pink wrapping paper, which I live for. This is my favorite shade of pink. Let's go ahead. Oh my god, this is why I know I love makeup. I get that just like spark of joy, that spark, and I get all tingly, and I can't. Oh my god. Yes, 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 yes. So first of all, this isn't even the makeup part of the video, but they have a Jefree Star pop socket. I didn't even know this was a thing. I always thought they were kind of dorky, but I've always wanted a pop socket because I always thought they would come in handy. My husband had one, and he's like, you gotta get this. So you know your girl is putting this on immediately. Oh, we haven't even gotten into the makeup yet, and I'm so excited. So where's my phone? Oh girl, I've never used one of these in my life. Am I stupid? Do I peel something off? I really don't know. I have literally no idea if you're supposed to just stick it on. Okay, no. I got a glimpse in the box, so I can't. I feel like you definitely have to peel something off, right? If I break this, I'm gonna be so upset. Okay, yep, there's like a little, that's what I figured. It's a little piece of plastic. I'm gonna make sure that it is straight. Ish. Yes, my phone is so dirty. Yes, girl. Oh, hi. Is that you calling Jefree? I'm so stupid. Oh, yes, 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 yes. All right, I'm excited about that, but let's actually move into the makeup, and I am dying. So I was right. And they had 6 products, including the pop socket. So we have 5 makeup products, and I think we have what looks like 4 of the lip products, and then a skin frost. You guys, for someone who has never owned a Jefree, I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, love the packaging. So it says Jefree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost, vegan, cruelty-free, you better glow, bitch. Long-lasting, extreme beauty, the definition of highlight on fleek. Oh my god, okay, so oh my god, the shade name is Regina George. Oh, my camera is not even gonna focus on it, but that is amazing. So let's go ahead, open up Regina. Oh, why am I so flippin' excited? Like, this purely makes me happy. I can't even. Oh, the packaging is everything as well. So it comes in this big, and this is a big, like, this is a big product. So Regina George again, Skin Frost. Let's open. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, so it's this big pink highlighter. So obviously something I wouldn't wear every day. But oh my gosh, oh, that is pretty. It's definitely pink, but it has like such a pretty highlighting effect to it. Oh my goodness, look at that gigantic mirror as well. Oh, I'm obsessed. I just want to keep it out in the open like that. It's just so gorgeous. So that is the Skin Frost. So now we have 4 lip products. So let's go ahead, see what we have here. So we have a velour liquid lipstick in Clout. Another velour liquid lipstick in Watermelon Soda. I think I recall Watermelon Soda being mentioned. I'm trying to remember. Another velour. Are these are all, nope. We have 3 velour liquid lipsticks, and this one is called Can't Relate. And then we have a lip ammunition called Jeffree's Girl. So we're gonna try out the velour liquid lipsticks first, because those are definitely my favorite products. So we're gonna try in order. We're gonna swatch Clout. Oh, packaging. Oh god, oh my 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 gosh. I think the packaging is amazing. The packaging itself is super sparkly, but it's not like gritty. Like, I can't feel the glitter, but it has a ton of glitter on it. Oh, it says shake well before use. I was just reading the box to see if I could find anything else. This is kind of like a purpley, oh, that one though. Oh, I love this. Even the wand, is the wand glittery? Oh no, okay. Ooh. So definitely not a color that I would wear every day, but I figured it would look really beautiful with some looks. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's just crazy pigmented too. That was one swipe. All right, so that was Clout. Then we have, I think I went to the pink package next, yes, which is Watermelon Soda. One quick thing that I'm noticing right off the bat, Jefree, what's going on? What's going on? Not hating whatsoever. Just want to make that very clear before I talk about this. But do you see how there's no product between here and the cover? Whereas if you look at Clout, it's completely filled with product. Boy, not gonna freak out about, you know what I mean? But I like to, whoa. That just did something weird. Okay, let's just try. Let's try the color. I don't know why I got the urge to smell the product. Oh my god. This one smells like watermelon. I'm not even kidding. And look at that color. Are you kidding me? Oh. Low pigmentation. That is beautiful. Did this one smell? Okay, this one definitely smells more cosmetic-y, as this one definitely has like a fragrance of watermelon. So really cool. Then the last velour liquid lipstick that we have is the Can't Relate, and this one definitely seems like a nude that is more wearable for every day. Has the same packaging as the Clout one, so these white boxes have like the sparkly packaging, where the pink boxes I think is more like the original packaging. Again, don't quote me, I'm newer to his cosmetics. This is my first haul of his cosmetics, so I might be wrong, but this one, let's go ahead and swatch this one. Okay, this looks like a shade that, oh wow, Oh, this looks like a nice nude, one that I'll definitely wear quite a bit. Oh, yes. Okay, so again, you kind of have like the color that I wouldn't wear every day, but I think would be really gorgeous with certain looks. This watermelon one, which I definitely see myself wearing, like that is not too bright for me. I love that color. And then kind of like an everyday nude. I'm going to put this on right now because my liquid lipstick is kind of coming off a little bit. What do I have on my lips? I think I have, oh, I have Morphe's Taunt on my lips at the moment, but it's been several hours, so it's starting, it needs a little touching up, but instead I'm gonna put Can't Relate. Okay, it's a little bit lighter than Taunt. I'm also just kind of applying it for myself because I wanna see how his products perform. Obviously, it would have been better if I put it on by itself without anything underneath it, but I needed a touch up anyways. It's already starting to dry down, which was crazy quick, but I'm gonna put those aside. We have one more product to try out, which I am so sad. I hate when these kind of videos start to come to an end. I am really excited to have a lip anonymity in my collection as well. So this one is in the shade, oh yeah, Jeffree's Girl. So it might be pink just based off of the shade name. Oh, girl. Oh, yes, this looks like a bullet. Oh my gosh, have I never seen these before? Because, wow, okay, so A+ for packaging, are you kidding me? And you just twist it up. Oh, look at that color. Are you kidding me right now? All right, let's swatch that. Oh, it is so silky and I'm so excited. This is amazing. Okay, I was not disappointed by any means with this box. This was so cool. So we got the 3 velour liquid lipsticks, we got the 1 lip ammunition, and then we got the 1 Skin Frost and Regina George. I am so incredibly happy with this packaging. Oh my gosh, Jeffree, you killed it. Honestly, this inspired me so much to go out and like buy more of his products. I really want to try some more. I love the packaging. I know the quality is going to be there. It's Jeffree. Hello. Oh, so excited to try out some of these products. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please go ahead, leave a thumbs up on my video, and if you don't want to miss any more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!